46. The Atlanta skyline stood so still. The White Cough Hotel, 15 stories high, unaware of the tragedy it would instill. Oh, White Cough, oh, White Cough, a night of terror, a city's pain. 119 souls were lost in the smoke and the flame. No sprinklers, no fire escape, just one stairwell for all to take. Trapped guests at windows, desperate cries as the inferno began to rise. Oh, White Cough, oh, White Cough, a night of terror, a city's pain. 119 souls were lost in the smoke and the flame. Through the night, but the ladders reached only to the 8th. Some leapt to safety nets below, others met a cruel fate. The Alfonsino family, 3 generations gone, a newlywed couple's love undone. From the ashes of that dreadful scene came fire codes to which we still cling. Oh, White Cough, oh, White Cough, your lesson learned at such a cost. We remember those who perished there and pray they're never forgotten.